Medrano, and I'm an artist. I pretty much remember always taking pictures. I was always the guy at the end of the school year with the camera, or just always the guy with the camera. Got into it, took my first actual class in 2008, 2007 actually. Then through that, or while I was doing that, I got a job at the Coliseum, the LA Coliseum. Started doing that as a photographer, and then that's why I decided that that's what I'm gonna do. I've always taken pictures, so it just started messing on Photoshop. That's how some of the art stuff came out. Started playing because my gear wasn't great at the beginning, so sometimes I just had to turn them into something else to make them look good. Then it's just I just like capturing, like shooting weird moments, weird angles, stuff that's not. Try to be a little out of the ordinary. I don't want, you know, I'm not gonna put pictures of flowers that everybody has up on the wall or anything like that. I brought some of my art pieces. I love doing that kind of stuff, like I said, the weird angles, stuff like that. And I love shooting live events. I love capturing that moment at a live event, like having that shot. You know what I mean? And a lot of it has to do with access, but I think timing too. You gotta know what you're looking for. So that's why I brought some of like the USC stuff, some of my concert stuff. Like I don't know if you noticed the picture of Kanye. Like really like that one. Just want to get to the point where I'm just full-time photographer, artist. You know, I just need to push my business, get it going, get my name out there, get my product out there, start getting noticed, you know, so people want to use me. I wanna have a picture on everybody's wall and shoot everybody's anything, wedding, birthday, whatever. I have a website, it's mmimagery.com. Right now, there's not much on there. I'm redoing it, I'm reworking it, but a lot of my work is on Facebook. So, like for more samples of my work, you can search mmimagery on Facebook. So just online is pretty much how I get out there now, word of mouth. I got involved with my friend Sanyin is in the show too, so he invited me, and then I looked at the website. I was like, wait, why didn't you tell me about this? You know, I want to be a part of this too. So it's just what I like is that it's got a bunch of, you know, local artists. It gives me something to pull from too, people locally, because I just moved to Long Beach 2 years ago. I mean, not from far, I'm from Pomona, but still, like I don't know a lot of artists to hang out with down here, and it's easier to work with people, even if you're working on your own thing. Just that motivation, you know what I mean? Or maybe a little bit of competitiveness. We are all a little competitive. So if you make something, I want to make something better, you know? My name is Manny Medrano with MM Imagery, and I'm a raw artist.